How to turn on or turn off touch interaction vibration feedback on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on sound and vibration. So after click on sound and vibration, so scroll down and click on system vibration. So after click on system vibration, you will see touch interaction is here. So if you want to turn off a touch interaction, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see touch interaction is turn off. So if you want to turn on touch interaction, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see touch interaction is turn on. So you will turn on or turn off touch interactions from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can turn on or turn off touch interaction vibration feedback on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.